Looking for a marine amplifier kit that delivers powerful sound without the hassle? The Pyle 4-channel amplifier offers up to 800 watts max power at 8 ohms per channel, giving you clear, loud audio no matter where you are on the water. Its built-in electronic crossover and adjustable inputs ensure you get the perfect balance for your marine speakers. This kit includes 2 pairs of 6.5-inch two-way marine speakers finished in a sleek marine white. Each speaker features a high-quality polypropylene cone and a 2-inch polymer cone tweeter, designed to produce deep lows, rich mids, and crisp highs. Whether you're cruising or anchored, these speakers bring your music to life with impressive clarity. The package also comes with a waterproof poly bag and a 3.5mm jack stereo to RCA adapter, making it easy to connect your iPod or MP3 player safely. Plus, you can hook up standard high and low-level inputs from your marine head unit receiver, giving you flexible options for your setup. What sets this amplifier apart is its volume gain control, which lets you fine-tune the overall level and balance it perfectly with other speakers in your system. The waterproof remote volume control even powers off the amp when turned all the way down, protecting your equipment and giving you easy access to volume adjustments from anywhere on your boat. Safety and durability are key with the Pyle Marine amplifier. It features power protection circuitry and a soft turn-on/off function that prevents damage to your speakers. The kit includes built-in mounting brackets and all the hardware you need for a straightforward installation, so you can get your sound system up and running quickly. One user shared their experience installing this kit on a 2014 Wildcat X and was blown away by the volume and quality. They praised the simple setup, the included 6-foot speaker wires, and how loud the system gets when the gain is turned up. Even when paired with high-end Pioneer speakers, the amplifier maintained excellent sound quality. This feedback highlights how the Pyle kit offers professional-grade performance at an accessible price. If you want a marine amplifier kit that combines power, clarity, and ease of use, this Pyle setup is worth a look. It's designed for anyone who values great sound on the water without complicated installation or guesswork. Ready to upgrade your marine audio? Try the Pyle 4-channel amplifier kit when you're ready to enjoy crisp, powerful sound on your next adventure.